We about to get into these animals. Somewhere in the jungle. Stay tuned for finance. We in the jungle. Food Fun Finance. We are here at the Shark Reef Aquarium at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, you know we are using some of the tips and tricks that we usually use to get in to to these places either for free or at a discount. With this one, we used our voucher that we got when we redeemed our points by using Pop Slots, My Konami, and My Las Vegas. So keep that in mind. We redeemed our points at MGM Rewards. We went and cashed in on it, and we got one complimentary Shark Reef Aquarium visit, and the other one we paid for, which was $20. So to me, it was all worth it. Food Fun Finance, just remember where you're at. You are here where flavors, fun, and funds collide. Keep that in mind. We're in Las Vegas, Nevada, baby. Get excited, let's go. Food Fun Finance, make sure you do me a slight favor, a real important favor, so we can keep this channel going, keep this channel growing. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you comment, make sure you share with your friends. Make sure you're here every single Wednesday and Saturday, 7 p.m. watching these videos that we bring to you. Make sure you travel too. Let's go.